little update. I've been very, very, very bad at doing updates. So, what the fuck is this? What is this? Probably paint. Gone. Sådan er that. But yeah, keep telling myself every time I do something and finish it, I was like, I should probably have made a video. Just for my own amusement. But I finally came to this point, one of the big jobs. This whole wall needs a shining up, but it's not just doing that. This is how it looked original, and I want to put gutters like this, just so we know what we are talking about. I want to put gutters on this, but first I need the roof to be lined up. Probably hard to see. Now we're getting to a point where it's a little bit more lined up, but you can see in here how far it was sticking out. And yeah, it doesn't matter if I put a gutter up and the water just runs over. So a little bit of paint first, cutting the roof so it fits, and those things, I don't know what it is. I've never done anything, but I can see they have it all around here. So yeah, why not do the same? So yeah, beginning to look good. Black paint is really helping. So when all that is done and I come all the way down here, there's a little bit of a issue up here. Down here the roof is so short that the water is hitting the wood, and the wood has left the building. So that of course has to be fixed when I get to this, but this size I can work with. Don't need to cut. But here I need to do something about the wood. But those things is definitely gonna help this. But so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. The wife has made her own little photo studio for things we try to sell, get rid of. In here, still a lot of Volkswagen parts, but I'm beginning to sell the parts, and someone's gonna come get all this soon, probably this one. So that's good. Someone wanted a picture of this, but haven't heard anything back from him. So yeah. But look at this. I got one booth open up, all the boxes here, one booth cleaned out a little bit, and down here, yay, all that Moist Mascot mini shit gone. So a lot of room here. That is so nice. Pay someone. No, I get paid for someone to come pick up what I saw as junk. So, but one man's junk, another man's treasure. So good for him, and happy for me. In here, same old. Not done anything exciting in here. One big job out here. Finished this up last week. I don't know if you remember this corner, but before I couldn't even see there was 3 plates in. I only saw 2 plates, like 4 total, and was like, oh okay, that's it. But I cut and I cut and I cut and I cut, and now we have trailer parking out here more air, the bush can begin to grow in the bottom. So this little corner is good for now, and I'm a happy camper. That was a very nice job to get this shit done. So now we can come in here with the tractor and cut the grass and keep this nice plastic. And I still do my this you know, well, it's I know it's not beautiful, but it just needs some white paint. But everything else is 10 times better on this side, because the water can just go out here and go away. In there it's splashing up against the wall and standing in the bottom and look like shit. So the other side is the important one. So this we just put some, and then that's gonna be good. No gutter right now. I'm gonna do the other side first and then see. Still big plan to cut this down in the future. So I'm not doing anything at this one. I'm not using any time, money, anything on this building. Yeah. Got myself a proper margator. So yeah, cheap. This one's still here. My stone pile is piling up. And then I did it like we call it compost. Compost. Where you can make your own ground in a couple of years if you take all your leaves and shit. And I was like, oh, it's gonna be here already full. That one job down that corner and it's full. So now I need to do one more. But this is just, yeah, leaves, small sticks, all the fine cut like this. And in a couple of years, 2, 3, 4 years, when all the worms and everything has been eating this, that's gonna be some very, very good dirt, clean dirt. So yeah, big fire soon, more fire stuff over here. So yeah, not done anything that much. Come down here once in a while and clean up a little bit, looking for parts. I'm beginning to have this I keep saying the farm will provide, meaning that everything I need, it's gonna be here somewhere. Sometimes I need some small plastic metal dinghy to weld on something. You can probably find it here or somewhere else. So the farm will provide. No need to go buy stuff. We fix it. This is that's gonna be big fire next Sankt Hans. This is gonna be fire for next Sankt Hans. All this, when this is cut down, it's gonna be fire for next Sankt Hans. So yeah, I'm planning for 4 or 5 years ahead. I don't know if you remember, but we had a lot of bushes and stuff down here. That's also been cut down. It looks so much bigger now. This corner is gonna be a little bit later. The next big project out here is gonna be from where his wall begins, and then we begin to cut all the way down, all the way into his wall, and then we're gonna use his wall for like outdoor storage, sand, dirt, stones, bricks. Everything's gonna be lined up in piles down here, so when we need, we go take here, and then we're gonna begin to clean out. I'm gonna use those, the 4 big ones gonna stay and then all the small ones gonna come here, so nothing can grow, and then begin to clean out all this shit. But it's like a summer, maybe next summer project, or if we get a good fall just before winter, get some months with good weather, then we do that. And then I got this motherfucker fixed. This came with the house. All the leakage is fixed inside, outside, so this is running perfectly. Put a air hose out here so I can put some air in the tractor, and this is down here in this corner. Eventually it's gonna be tractor parking, maybe bobcat parking or something down here. I got some air to fill tires, clean, do whatever. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of a utility corner. Easy to put something up, boop, 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 like a roof, something. So so they're at least out of the rain and stuff. But yeah, so doing a lot of shit. I just keep forgetting to film it. So, but now this one is gonna go in the logbook, and hopefully in 10 years I can look back and be like, what the fuck? So heavy, it doesn't look like that anymore. So yeah. Fucking piece of shit junk car. If some of my friends see this, they will probably know who I bought it from. Another very good friend. So yeah. Got a dinghy right there. So but yeah. So it's not because I'm not doing anything. I just forget to film it. You see this one? I did a garden trommel, and this is how it looks now. So I have to do better on the next one. Metal frame, wood frame was not a good idea, but I got better things to do right now. So yeah, have a nice day. I'm trying to have one at least.